MC and welcome to the wrong location. So, as you can tell, it's raining and this was meant to be Vamp Nights evening meet. However, due to the weather, they changed the location, which of course I didn't see. So here I am at Bites, which is exactly where I'm not meant to be, where I'm gonna do the thing. Hi, I'm Adam C and welcome to the right location. So, we are in a sheltered car park and what do you know, it's actually stopped raining, but this is where all the cars were. We've got these split screen campers over here next to my 350Z, with this one with the smooth front end looking lovely. And behind me straight away we have a lineup of Swedish bricks. All the Volvos have joined together for this Vamp Nights meet. This is vastly turning out to be a popular choice in the car scene at the moment. We've also got cars entering, tackling the speed bumps. Very careful. Down you go. There we go. We've even got this ute that we've seen recently turning up as well. Here is the outdoor bit of the indoor car park. A S13 200SX turning up as well, and a Nissan Laurel. Here is a Chevy pickup side step. He's got the brushed patina effect, and quite in contrast, a carbon fibre dial. And of course the Golf, the Mark II Escort, and the Mark I MX-5 with some motor bicycles. Check this out. It's an incredibly rare Lotus-powered Isuzu. I'm not very clued up on these, but I'm sure I haven't seen one of these at a meet in a long time. Got the i30N next to it, and I mean, a 1 Series turn up. There's quite the variety here today as well. There's another S13 popping up its headlights, and this Mark I Golf turning up with a Jag behind it. Ah yes, the breathing bonnet. I'm in his way of speed bump avoidance. God, this Golf is a very generous bloke. He's even put an arrow there to let us pay attention to his friend's car. Someone has literally ordered a, is that Deliveroo to the car park? That's one way to do it. We've got this Ford Sierra next to the VR6 Ford Galaxy that we've seen fairly recently. We've got the GT86 next to a Crown and a purple MX-5 rolling in, tackling the speed bumps. And behind the Cinquecento with 4 spokes is an S15 with neons. Is it time for a sticker showcase? Jesus is my airbag. National Rust. Sweet melons. And underneath this sparkly roof inside, we've got some little kitty cats on the handbrake and the gear stick. We've got some neons inside the car, and above, oh, it's so sparkly. We've got some more kitty cats on the side as well. It's actually two-tone, purple at the back and a sparkly black at the front with neons. Oh, an engine and all of his horns on display. He's got a very fiery rocket cover. I'd say he's a gambling man. With side pipes. And talking of V8 motors with flames, over here we have a proper hot rod. Ford pop which goes from white at the front, catches fire briefly, and then black at the rear. He's got the white cream interior as well, including a knuckle duster gear changer. Oh, Cleo. We've got a couple of very unique E36s. We've got this blue ute from a previous video, and Cupcake also from a previous video. Got the green Golf next to a Capri with green highlights. And the Hillman Imps have also made quite a scene at recent meets. They are just as popular as Volvo seem to be these days. The locals are not impressed. This guy must have been very early to the meet. He's even managed to match his awning with the Hillman Imp next to it. And an RX-8 with his headlights up next to a Bentley. Brave, high sexy, Spanner. E60 M5 looking clean. We've got the Mitsubishi Evo with a spoiler next door to it, and sponsored by Cupcake, which is on the back of this. We've got a lineup of Volkswagen Polos here, followed by a Golf with blue rear lights and some wide arches and a lot of grip, and a brown Crown with a lot of camber on the front, and some subtle roses on the roof. And we've got a 350Z with a bumper that I have never seen before on one of these. I really like that. And the outcome of most events since lockdown, the police have arrived. I don't think I've been to a meet other than this morning's one that hasn't had a police car in attendance. Let's try and find some evidence about what these cars are predominantly used for. We've got the central jacking point on the back. We've got a few bumper scuffs. Not sure where they may have come from. We've got the grippy boys on the front and the cheap budgets on the rear, airbag delete, and some more skiddy boys. Pray we don't crash on this one, and pray we don't crash on this. And some very bizarre stone chipping damage. We've got some rubber not only on the tyres but on the bodywork as well, and some cable ties holding it together. There's also neons, but that might be a bit of a red herring. So what do you think these are used for? I don't know why people bring their dogs to these types of meets. What's his name?
Radish.
Radish. Hello, Radish. How are you?
We found it behind a billboard.
Oh, I've just touched that.
No, it's been washed. Jamie's mum's washed it.
Lovely.
Yeah.
It's good to hear.
She must be so disappointed.
Is she clean, his mum? What has just started off? Was that the Mini? Surely not. This does not sound like a classic Mini. That is the best sounding Mini. What? So that's what a Mini sounds like when its exhaust has fallen off. We have a new arrival, a Civic track car, stripped out with a spoiler. Oh, he scrapes. That is an Austin Allegro estate on a Volkswagen Beetle chassis turning up. Oh, the highlight is leaving. ST. You never see these. Wow, my step grandma had one of those. Oh, does that get your seal of approval? Canal boat. Dog! Dog! Oh, look at the wind through his hair. No, oh no! Not the horse! Oh, that's animal cruelty! I can't believe I've just witnessed such a horrid situation. I apologise, but oh, CPR? His head's falling off. That's not very Jaguar of him. We're going to need all the luck in the world here. Even the number plate confirms. Oh no. We survived. Just me, or did that look quite quick? No, it's just quick. Yeah. The Isuzu's leaving. Zoom in on the front wheels, is that what we're going to do? Someone's shooting flames, I just saw an orange glow. It's the Sierra! scraping. Oh no. Oh, he's managed to drive away. How far, I don't know. Is stuck on a speed bump. You can't get off, look.
Almost there. Hey! Volvos are doing noises. I'm just going to get my brolly from the car. Oh, someone's doing a burnout up there. Don't know what it is. Looks like a BMW. Sounds like a BMW. Most of the time it is a BMW. Well, I think that was a tactical umbrella pickup because it is really shucking it down now. Look how beautiful it is in the sunset, in the rain. It's very romantic. Little burnout going on as well. Oh, another one. So whilst there are still quite a few cars here, we're going to head off and have some food. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Another meet back at the, where are we? Woking Leisure Centre under shelter, which is probably good because of the weather. A Nissan Bluebird SR20's just rolled in as well. But, oh, sounds will be happening. Follow me on Instagram for all the highlights of all these meets that I go to. But for now, thanks for watching.